Let's talk about birds. Birds. Fantastic fucking animals. They can fly. How many other animals can do that shit? Like, one, I think. One. Birds. Yeah, one other animal. Some of them can't fly, which is absolute fucking bullshit. Give birds flight powers. They have wings. Let them fly. Birds are fucking cool. Some are big, some are small, some are teeny weeny, polka dot bikini. Man, birds are like. Did you hear about the Great Emu War of 1941 in Australia? They had machine guns and they still not the birds. The birds didn't lose. They also didn't have machine guns, but the Australians lost to the fucking birds, even though they had machine guns. Like, sorry, Maya, we can't fucking win against you. You're too smart. Which, that's my second point. Birds are smart as hell. Some of them are fucking dumb, but parrots. Take an African gray parrot as an example. A very smart creature. Dude can learn like basic colors and sort things. All around fucking amazing. Where am I going with this? I don't even know. Birds. They're fantastic. they like some of them can't fly, but they simulate flying underwater, and that I'm talking about penguins. Not their opposite, puffins, which actually can fly, and sound weird. I don't remember what they sound like. I'll figure that shit out later. But like, come on, they can fly. Birds can fly. I'm just reiterating points that I've already made. Subscribe. That's all I have to. Subscribe, you fucking retard. No joke, this is what a puffin actually fucking sounds like. Dude, you cannot make this shit up.